What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here in today's video we're going to be doing radiator fan on this 2011 Ford Edge. I believe this is the 3.5 or the 3.6, I'm not sure, but it's a V6. So this joint has been my daily for about a couple of months now, and it's starting to have some issues where it just, like, it will overheat while the car is in parked, but when you're driving, it doesn't overheat. So I'm thinking more towards a clog radiator or something to do with the fan, because only one side of the fan blows, the other side doesn't blow at all. So we're going to be taking care of that today. I'm going to do the radiator, the fan, and the thermostat just first and see if that fixes the issue. If it doesn't, then it's most likely the water pump, and then I just proceed from there. So, all right, yo. So we're in front of the vehicle, and first thing I'm going to do is take off this, either this grill or the front bumper. I'll just start with these up here. These are pretty easy to come off. What the hell? Okay, they look like they're plastic. So, okay, let's find another way. This one. Okay, I got those tabs out using one of these. You just pick out the first one, and then the bottom one you lift up. You can use a pry tool, but that's what I had on hand. And then you got these two. I think these are like 8 or 10 millimeter. I'm using a 10, but it actually works. So toss that back there, and then the rest of this, figure out how to get the rest of this out. Most likely I'll probably have to take out this whole freaking front bumper. Do I? I don't even know. But look like this is already damaged. It wasn't me. Okay, let me figure this out. All right, yo, I got a little bit ahead of myself here. Phone died, had to charge the phone, but basically I took off the plastic clips for the bumper, take out the front bumper, the airbox. I just left this part in. Next thing I did, I took out the connectors for the fan, took the fan out. Now I'm in the process of just taking out the radiator, but I gotta separate it from the heat exchanger. So in the process of replacing the condenser, radiator fan, I had to cut this out because I didn't have, okay, there that goes, the proper tool to take this out. And I looked online, I can't find any video on the Ford Edge, second generation Ford Edge, on how to replace this fitting. But I'm pretty sure it's a compress. You compress and then this part comes out. But as you guys can see, I had to cut it out in order to get it off. And now I'm trying to figure out how to just compress this, squeeze this down, and take this out, and then put the new one in. So that's where I'm at right now. And I didn't show you guys the process of taking out the condenser because I didn't do it the manufacturer way. You know, I kind of just took out the screw, move away from the condenser, and everything just went poof. All the Freon, everything came flying out. That's one way to do it. I don't recommend it, but I don't have a machine to, extract the fluids before taking off the condenser. So I'm gonna figure out how to take this off, and then I'll get back to the video.
like we had something. Tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. You knocked on my window and slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place. Not sure if I want this. You don't think that I notice. This isn't like giving you space. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this
All right, y'all. Taking the Ford out for a test drive after filling, bleeding the system. I'm gonna take her out for at least like a 30 to 45 minute drive on the highway, and and see what happens. But she's all fixed up. She's all fixed up. Put her under a little bit of load and we'll see. Alright, y'all, we're cruising here at a comfortable 60 miles per hour. Car is doing what it's supposed to do, not overheating, and seems to drive a bit better than before. So that's a plus right there. And move my arm out the way, let you guys see what I'm doing here. But yeah, she's driving good. The wheel definitely need a balance because I feel a little bit of shake in the front there. A little balance can fix that. But so far so good. I'll give you guys a second update on my way back. We made it back. I put about 15 miles on the car. Didn't overheat. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. The car is running perfectly. So I guess this is where I end the video. Sorry I didn't show too much of the work, the process that I was doing, because trust me, when you're doing that stuff, unless I have a GoPro, I'm speaking about a GoPro, I need to invest in a GoPro. That way I can actually work without worrying about, holding the camera. But yeah, it's difficult to hold the camera and then do that type of work because you need both your hands and a freaking leg or something else to get the job done. So anyway, like I was saying, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
You always searching for a better thing, wanna replace me. I'm in a place that I've never been. It's worse than lonely. Can someone tell me they see good in me? There's good in me. Cause I got doubts,